Hey, welcome to Analog Voice, where we learn how to sing. I created this channel for those who are interested in learning how to sing but don't know where to start. In this video, I'm going to be talking about breathing. Breathing for singers. I know I've been frustrated. I went to many vocal coaches and I could never understand breathing. Everybody would say something like this. Breathe from your diaphragm. Sing from your diaphragm. Sing from the stomach. Belly breathing? Well, be honest, that absolutely made no sense to me. Thankfully, I found teachers that actually explained it to me well, and I'm going to explain it to you. Hopefully, you will understand just like I did. We can't breathe from the diaphragm. We breathe from our lungs. We take in air, the diaphragm drops. A dome-shaped organ drops. Expands the front, the sides, and the back. What we have to do is make sure that it's difficult for it to go back to base. So, I want you to do this with me. Take your hands, put them around the sides, down below, and breathe in. Now, don't breathe in like this. Don't lift up your shoulders. Don't lift up your chest. Make sure that your stomach expands down below. And hiss with me. Do it as long as you can. And very important, while you are doing this, make sure that you are pushing your sides up against your hands. Don't let it collapse. And you could really feel everything working down there. I know I could feel it. Anyway, hope this helps you out. If you like the channel, click and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.